Hey, what's up? This is Matt from GoTherics. In this video, I want to go over a seated dumbbell press. So, seated dumbbell press we're going to be doing on a bench or a block somewhere where I can sit that is going to have back support. We generally like to do it without having the bench turned where I'm using my back because we want to focus on the core dynamic as well in this. If you can't hold the position with your core, then we would rather see you doing other exercises to work this position of your shoulders that's going to allow you to secure through the core in that position. In other words, I don't want you just leaning back into something. I want you to hold yourself up in order to drive it up. That's much more functional, and we focus on the function of the exercise, not just the muscle activation. So in this, we're going to be here. We're going to sit nice and tall, engaging that core. I like to tell people, separate your ribs from your hip bones. All of that area between your hip bones and your ribs, that's all muscle. We want to utilize that, engage it, lengthen through it. So we're lengthening through this space, and then we're going to bring the dumbbells here to the top of my shoulders. I'm going to drive them up, shrugging the shoulders, pulling as high as I can, and then I'm going to bring them back down to the top of the shoulders. Drive them up, bring them down. Now, our elbows are a little bit in front in what we call scapular plane rather than straight out to the side, but they're also not here straight in the front either. They're going to be in that scapular plane, driving up and coming here. We want to make sure we get those elbows locked, and we make sure we push through those shoulders to engage the upper traps as well. This exercise will engage your upper traps, and I hear a lot of clients come in and they're like, oh, I know I have a lot of tension here, and they feel like they're engaging in it, like they're getting a pinch when they do that. We want to engage this muscle. And so in this exercise, we specifically are looking at the top to get that shrug. We want to push and shrug at the top. And that's an important part of activating in this exercise. That is a seated dumbbell press. Thanks.